Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. So in this video guys, I want to be trying out this Duncan Hines cookie dough kit. It actually does come with the cookie mix, cookie dough filling and sprinkles guys. Curiosity, I am a very curious person, if you know me very well, so my curiosity led me here. Here it says we're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 large egg and 1 tablespoon of water, which is, here's my 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 large egg and my 1 tablespoon of water. So I have my bowl ready here with my whisk. I'm gonna be trying this. I'm just being curious guys. So I was about testing it right now. I was about making it. I was like, you know what, let me just make this on camera so you guys can see it too, just in case I like it, you know, you guys like it, we could all go for it. You could go get it at the store. So let's try this out guys. I'm just curious. I just want to know what this is gonna taste like, what it's gonna look like. You know, it looks so enticing. You guys see that? So if you guys want to know how I do this, stay tuned and let's do this together, okay? So guys, let's open this. It's really tight. So knead and squeeze before using. You guys see that? Knead and squeeze before using. So I guess this should be the cookie dough. It says we should call here, so we'll just keep that to the side. Okay. So this is what our mix looks like. Let's open the drawer. Get our scissors. The instructions here says yeah, we should melt our butter, so I'm just gonna melt this butter. So while our butter is melting, I'll create a deep hole. Do you guys just, so guys, our melted butter is ready. 1 tablespoon of water, and we're just gonna mix. So guys, as you can see, I'm done mixing. It didn't take so much time. I already have my pan here with my parchment paper in it. I'm just gonna put the dough on the pan and get it ready to be put in the oven. This in the oven. Instruction says to put this in the oven for 12 minutes. It's 12 minutes. Look how beautiful this looks guys. Let's let it sit for a while. Wash your hands please. And then here we need the dough, the cookie dough. This is edible cookie dough, please guys. And then line the cookie dough on your cookies. Yep, cover it this way and dip it in your sprinkles. Just make sure the sprinkles goes round. And if my video looks weird, this part of the video looks weird, please, I do apologize. I lost clips for whatever reason. My camera, I do not know what happened, but thank God I always use my phone as a backup. But anyway guys, thank God we had something. So let me know guys, do you think I tried? Does it look exactly like the picture? You know, I was just curious. Remember, curiosity led me here. And if you know you want to try this out, you could get this cookie dough mix at Walmart. That's where I got it. Please do let me know in the comment section if you liked it, rate me, and if you're gonna be trying it. Thank you so much for watching to this extent guys. I really do appreciate you. Please do remember and consider as well hitting the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.